In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove objects in Lightroom quickly and easily using the Remove tool, including the AI-powered Generative Remove feature. This is one of the fastest ways to clean up your photos, remove distractions, and make your edits look more professional without needing advanced Photoshop skills. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Lightroom tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Lightroom and load the photo you want to edit. Once your image is open, look for the Remove tool in the editing panel. It usually appears with an eraser icon, and this is the tool you'll use to get rid of unwanted objects from your photo. When you click on Remove, you may see different options depending on your version of Lightroom. If available, choose Remove or Generative Remove. The AI-powered Generative Remove option is especially useful because Lightroom can automatically analyze the surrounding area and fill in the space more naturally. After selecting the tool, adjust your brush size so it matches the object you want to remove. If the object is small, use a smaller brush for more precision. If it's larger, increase the brush size so you can cover it more efficiently. Now simply brush over the object you want to remove. Try to cover the entire item cleanly, but don't worry if it's not perfect, because Lightroom will do most of the work for you. Once the object is selected, Lightroom will automatically process the area and generate a fill based on the surrounding pixels. In many cases, the result appears almost instantly. If the first result doesn't look perfect, you can try again or adjust the brush area slightly for a cleaner blend. This is especially helpful when removing things like people in the background, power lines, trash, signs, or other distractions in your image. The goal is to make the edit look natural so it blends into the original photo seamlessly. If you're working on a busy background, zoom in a little before brushing so you can make a more accurate selection. That can help Lightroom produce a better result. You can also make multiple removals in the same image if needed, one object at a time until your photo looks the way you want it. Once you're happy with the edit, compare the before and after to make sure the removal looks clean and realistic. This is a great way to improve your photos fast, especially if you want a polished final image without spending a lot of time editing. So that's how to remove objects in Lightroom using the Remove tool and Generative Remove. It's simple, powerful, and perfect for beginners. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Lightroom tutorials and photo editing tips.